Oh my God, we are rich! We got a sale. We just did it. We just got done with my newest internet cash generating case study, and now I get to pass it on to you. And I will do that in this very video. And guys, I got the entire thing on tape live. We just got another one. So you're going to see in this video how I was able to turn only $36 into $3,700. Every domain we listed sold, every one of them. That frog is making some noise. And here's a guarantee that you haven't heard before. Make 10K or I will make you 10K. Make $10,000 your first month with this software, or I will personally buy you 10 domains and flip them for you. That's right. I am now so confident about this that we'll give ourselves 30 days. And if you don't make 10,000, I'll step in and I'll do it for you.
Check out the link below to learn more. I am Anya from dbus.com, and thanks for watching.